In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So in here, I asked my friend to block me on WhatsApp so that I can show you how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So for example, I will try to message my friend Dab Shop, and you will notice that it just have one tick or check, but previously it has two tick or check. So I'll show you the other one for comparison. So I will try to message my other friends on WhatsApp, and as you can see here, we get two tick or check, not unlike the other one who blocked me. So the other ways to know if someone has blocked you is when you try to open their message. As you can see here on top, you will notice that you can't see the last active status. Unlike this one, you will notice on top that they have the last active status on top. So the other way is to try adding that user to a group. So for example, I will add her, the one who blocked me, and the other users. So just go ahead and create a group. Just name the group Hi. So once done, try to open the profile and scroll it all the way down. You will notice here that you only have one group mate, but you added two of them earlier. So that is also a sign that you've been blocked by someone. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.